could travel across the country with all the comforts of home while enjoying the freedom of the open road. Today, we are taking a look at a motorhome that combines comfort, practicality, and smart design in one impressive package. From a stylish driver's cabin and welcoming dining area to a functional kitchen, private washroom, comfortable sleeping space, and spacious refrigerator, this motorhome is designed to make every journey enjoyable. Stay with me until the end because the AutoCruise Rhythm by Todds Motorhomes might be the perfect travel companion for your next adventure. Hello friends. Welcome to my 5-star motorhome channel. Today, we are exploring the AutoCruise Rhythm by Todds Motorhomes. In this complete tour, we will take a detailed look at the exterior design, driver's cabin, dining area, kitchen, washroom, sleeping area, refrigerator, and finally share our overall thoughts about the compact yet highly practical motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort and convenience without driving a large vehicle. It offers a well-balanced combination of modern features, efficient use of space, and attractive interior styling, whether you enjoy weekend getaways, long-distance road trips, or camping holidays. This motorhome provides everything needed for a comfortable travel experience. Every area has been designed with practicality in mind while maintaining a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Now, let's begin our tour by looking at the exterior. The exterior of the AutoCruise Rhythm immediately creates a positive impression. The sleek body design, stylish graphics, and modern appearance give the vehicle a premium look. Large windows allow natural light to enter the interior while also providing excellent views of the surrounding scenery. The compact dimensions make the motorhome easy to drive and park, making it ideal for both experienced and first-time motorhome owners. The build quality feels strong and durable, reflecting the attention to detail that Todds Motorhomes is known for. The exterior combines functionality with attractive styling, creating a motorhome that looks impressive wherever it travels. Now let's move inside and explore the driver's cabin. Welcome to the driver's cabin. This area has been designed to provide comfort and confidence during long journeys. The driver's seat offers excellent support and can be adjusted to suit individual preferences. The dashboard layout is modern and user-friendly. All major controls are positioned within easy reach, helping the driver maintain focus on the road. The steering wheel feels comfortable, while the instrument panel provides clear information regarding speed, fuel level, and vehicle status. Large mirrors and wide windows provide excellent visibility, helping create a safe and enjoyable driving experience, whether traveling through cities, motorways, or scenic countryside roads. The cabin provides a comfortable environment for every journey. Dining area. Moving into the main living area, we arrive at the dining section. This space serves as the social heart of the motorhome. The seating arrangement is comfortable and practical, creating an inviting environment for meals, conversations, and relaxation. The dining table provides a convenient space for eating, working, reading, or planning upcoming travel adventures. Large surrounding windows allow plenty of natural light to enter, making the area feel bright and spacious. The quality upholstery and attractive finish add a premium touch and contribute to the overall comfort of the interior. Kitchen tour. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. Despite the compact size of the motorhome, the kitchen offers everything required for preparing meals on the road. The layout has been carefully designed to maximize convenience and efficiency. The countertop provides a practical workspace for food preparation. The cooking hob allows travelers to prepare a variety of meals while enjoying life on the road. A conveniently positioned sink makes washing and cleaning simple and practical. Storage cabinets provide organized space for utensils, cookware, plates, and food supplies. The combination of functionality and modern styling makes this kitchen a pleasure to use during any journey. Washroom. Next, We move into the washroom dot. This area demonstrates excellent space utilization while providing all essential facilities. Inside, you will find a toilet, wash basin, mirror, and shower area. The design helps create a comfortable and spacious feeling despite the compact footprint. Bright lighting and proper ventilation contribute to a fresh and pleasant environment. The quality fixtures and fittings further enhance the premium atmosphere of the motorhome and provide additional comfort during travel. Bed and sleeping area. Now, let's explore the sleeping area. A comfortable bed is one of the most important features of any motorhome, and the AutoCruise Rhythm delivers an excellent sleeping environment. The bed provides comfort and support, allowing travelers to rest peacefully after a busy day of driving and exploring. The surrounding area creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere that encourages a good night's sleep. Nearby windows allow fresh air and natural light to enter the space, while reading lights provide additional convenience during the evening. The thoughtful design ensures that the sleeping area feels welcoming, comfortable, and practical. Fridge area. One of the most useful features within the AutoCruise Rhythm is the refrigerator, conveniently located within the kitchen area. It provides easy access to food and drinks throughout the journey. The refrigerator offers sufficient storage space for groceries, dairy products, fruits, vegetables, beverages, and snacks. Its efficient cooling performance helps maintain freshness and supports comfortable long-distance travel. This feature adds significant convenience for travelers who enjoy extended adventures and independent camping experiences. Conclusion: after exploring the exterior, driver's cabin, dining area, kitchen, washroom, sleeping area, and refrigerator section, it is easy to understand why the AutoCruise Rhythm remains a popular choice among motorhome enthusiasts. This motorhome successfully combines comfort, practicality, modern design, and everyday convenience into one well-designed package. It offers everything needed to enjoy the freedom of travel while maintaining the comfort of home, whether you are planning short weekend escapes or extended road trips. The AutoCruise Rhythm provides an enjoyable and reliable travel experience. Thank you for joining me on this complete tour of the AutoCruise Rhythm by Todds Motorhomes. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting motorhome tour and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next adventure.